back on my video. This is my video, guys. Oh, sorry to come on in the last video. And last video. What the heck is this? Why is the village here? Well, plug it in village. Let's go to creative mode. We need the creative mode. Like that thing. Guys, let's go really
ayun.
Take a village here.
Maraming nalasing. Tanong mo yung isa, yung nakamas.
Hey guys, let's go to village here. Okay guys, I'm at the village here. Okay.
Sayang wala yung isa eh. Kinain yung binili kong ano eh. Yung Korean noodles eh.
Wait, my leg is so crazy move. Really? Really, guys? Oh, you're kidding me, guys. I'm really going to survival. My leg is survival, guys. Ooh, let's go. Let's go my new word. Fancy word. Carrot.
Si Miko. Ayun, ano? Baka dun sa Obar.
I not like the carrots, guys.
Oh.
Okay, guys, let's go my house. Top of the water lake. And my water lake is here. How my village? There's my village, guys.
Nagbablog eh.
Let's go.
Nagbablog.
Let's go. Okay, guys. Well, in here, Tayo. Let's go. What is that noise?
Sa Pasko.
What did that noise, guys?
Yeah.
What did that noise? Like an Enderman something. We didn't get our sword out. Let's save the village. Okay, guys. And my final chance to defeat the... What? The zombies. Okay, guys.
Sa YouTube, ang dami. Hindi pa yun. Hindi pa.
Final chance, wala mga zombie here.
Paano yun eh?
Okay, guys.
Siya lang nag-upload nun eh.
Okay, guys, this is my final chance. What? Okay. I'm going to sleep. Okay, guys.
Ang content niya Minecraft eh.
Okay.
Maraming batang may gustong Minecraft.
Siyempre, alam mo nang natin. Alam natin na TikTok.
Ayan o.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys.
Naglalaro siya, tapos naka-video yan. Tapos nagsasalita siya, ganyan.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Ganyan ginagawa niya. Tapos siya lang nag-upload niyan.
Okay, guys. This is my final chance. Not the... What? The village!
Tapos may mga viewers siya.
Really?
Tapos may mga basher din, sabi niya. Natawa ako sa mga basher niya. Minsan kasi nagbabasa ako. Tapos sabi nung isa, sabi, chill guys. It's just 5 years old.
Yeah, that's a fire. So what is that man doing? Oh sorry guys. Let's go back to the sorting chest really quickly. My hater village kasi the last video, she's the bomba now and creeper. Oh my god, that's so not ingenious. That's a skeleton. She's killed me the wood. Go. Okay.
Hindi around the world yun. Yung
Okay, guys.
Yung mga Pinoy, mga usual lahi.
Okay, guys. My hair, the YouTube.
May mga nagko-comment.